Let's take a look at an analogy, clarify the concepts and see how they relate to each other. Remember, the three main concepts in automation we need to understand are 1. Framework, 2. Components, 3. Architecture. We're going to use the human body as our analogy. Couldn't be more removed from writing code, but I guarantee you'll understand the concepts by the end of this. You and I have a skeleton. Think of this skeleton as the framework. The skeleton gives us form and structure. That skeleton is built with parts like a spine, ribs, skull, etc. The skeleton is designed to hold all the components. You plug all the components into the skeleton or framework. And those components are things like your liver, your lungs, your heart, etc. Those components need the framework. Your components won't function at all without the structure and the support of the framework and the support that that structure gives them. Now, in order for the components to operate efficiently, they need to be contained by that framework. You remove the framework and there is no form, no structure for the components to operate in a logical manner. So you have the framework and you have the components. Where do the components go in the framework? Just randomly plugging components into a skeleton isn't going to build you a functioning human body. How we position and set up the relative relationships between those components within the framework is critical. And what's important for those components is the position, the relationship, and the interaction within that framework. It's the position within the skeleton that can be thought of as the architecture. With the right framework, right components, and the right architecture, you have what is quite an amazing system, the human body. And those concepts of framework, components, and architecture apply in exactly the same manner when building test automation solutions. Learn more at automatedtesting.com.